lives of a stranger. You learn things you never knew, you never knew.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue cardinal? Or read some greeting bobcat lying there? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth.
Come rolling all the riches all around you, and for once never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the rivers are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends.
And we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a loop that never ends. How high will the sycamore grow if you cut it down, and you'll never know? And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue cardinal. For whether we are white or copper skin, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountains. We need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can hold the earth and still all you own is the tail. You can paint with all the colors